If you want to cancel Discord Nitro, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and without any confusion. This is a simple process, but it's important to know exactly where to click so you don't miss the subscription settings. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC or launch the Discord desktop app. You can only manage Nitro from the desktop experience, so make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing. Once Discord is open, look to the bottom left corner of the app and click the gear icon. This takes you into User Settings, where all of your account and app options are stored. After the Settings menu opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Subscriptions. This is where Discord keeps your active billing plans and premium memberships. Now you should see your Nitro subscription listed. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct subscription, especially if you have more than one plan or payment method linked to your account. Once you find Nitro, click Cancel. Discord may show you a few confirmation steps, and sometimes it will ask you to review what happens if you cancel, such as losing premium perks at the end of your billing cycle. Follow each confirmation prompt carefully and keep clicking through until the cancellation is complete. After that, your Nitro subscription will be set to cancel, and you'll usually still have access until the current billing period ends. If you don't see the cancellation option, double-check that you're using the desktop app and not a mobile device, because subscription management is often limited outside the desktop version. Also, make sure you're signed into the same account that originally purchased Nitro, since subscriptions only appear on the account that owns them. And that's it. You've now successfully canceled Discord Nitro. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple step-by-step guide.